Hi everyone, my name is Fennell Belfort, and I hope you can see the card. I am a first year optometry student, and I go to school in Chicago. I'm originally from Florida, and I decided this is my first time in my first year in the Midwest. Just decided to give the Midwest a try because I've been in Florida my whole life, so it was just something new, different experience. I'm taking this class because I didn't get a chance to finish it when it was offered in my school for my first year. Thus, I need to complete it in order to move on to second year. Hobby wise, anything that involves me being active, whether it's going hiking or running or jogging, anything that gets me outside and not staying inside on the couch, that's usually what I pretty much do. Sports wise, I'm a big sports fan of basketball, baseball, football. I used to play baseball in high school. I was an outfielder. What additional things about me? Nothing really. This was a very strange experience starting out graduate school virtually. Our classes this year was hybrid, so we had the option of going in class and or just watch it online, and everything was recorded. For the most part, the majority of the students never came to class. There was only about 4 or 5 of us in the classroom. So really, in my first year, I still don't know half of my class. Sometimes we will go in a testing center and take an exam. You'll walk out of the testing center and you'll meet somebody new. So it was definitely a new experience for us this year. And that's really it about me as far as that goes.